Welcome to this session on changing a material master record in SAP. In this demonstration, you'll learn how to update key product-related details, specifically sales data, within an existing material master. You'll follow a guided process to navigate through the appropriate views and organizational levels, adjust pricing conditions, and ensure the material record reflects up-to-date business information. In SAP, the Material Master serves as the central repository for all product information, covering procurement, inventory, sales, and accounting. Keeping this data accurate is essential for smooth day-to-day operations. Let's see how this process is applied in a real-world scenario, using Pepsi as an example. Imagine a pricing analyst at Pepsi updating the pricing of a fast-moving product like bottled water for a key distribution channel. As new pricing agreements take effect for a wholesale partner, the analyst uses SAP to locate the material record, update the sales view, and enter the new pricing conditions. They also clear outdated pricing reference links to ensure the system uses the most current values moving forward. With this updated information, Pepsi's systems now generate accurate sales orders, apply correct pricing, and maintain consistency across sales, finance, and reporting functions. Now think about your own role. Are material records updated promptly when business needs change? Could keeping product master data accurate help prevent billing issues, inventory problems, or pricing conflicts? Let's get started and walk through the step-by-step process of updating a material master record in SAP. To effectively manage updates to material master records in SAP, begin by accessing the appropriate transaction. Starting from the SAP Easy Access screen, navigate to Logistics, select Material Management, then proceed to Material Master, and finally select Material Change. The transaction code is MM02. This specific transaction code is used to make modifications to existing Material Master records within SAP, ensuring accurate data management across your organizational systems. After entering the transaction code, you will arrive at the Change Material screen. In the Material field, input the specific material number for which updates are necessary. This material number is critical as it uniquely identifies the material within the system and retrieves its detailed record for editing. Press Enter to continue. Next, the system will present various views associated with the material master record. A view in SAP refers to a specific segment of data relevant to certain business processes that can be individually modified. SAP organizes material master data into several distinct views, including basic data, sales data, purchasing data, inventory data, and more, each serving different organizational needs. In this instance, select the sales data views. These particular views encompass essential sales-related information, including pricing, sales organizations, distribution channels, delivery terms, and additional conditions relevant for selling the material. Select both relevant sales views and click Continue to proceed to the next step. You will now be prompted to define the organizational levels related to this material. Organizational data specifies the logistical and operational structures governing how and where the material is managed and utilized across the organization. In the organizational levels dialog box, accurately enter the following key information. Plant, specify the exact plant location responsible for managing and storing the material. Sales organization, input the sales organization accountable for managing sales activities for this material. Distribution channel, indicate how the material is distributed, e.g. retail, wholesale, or online. After entering these organizational details, click Continue to Advance. You will be directed to the Sales Org Data 1 screen, where detailed sales-related information can be updated. Here, focus specifically on adjusting pricing conditions relevant to the material. Navigate to the Conditions section and access the Create Price Condition screen. Enter the updated price information into the amount field, setting the new standard price for the material, ensuring accuracy in future sales transactions. After entering the new pricing information, click back to return to the previous screen. Confirming this update ensures the material now has accurate pricing data, essential for transactional accuracy and financial reporting. Next, update additional details within the sales view. This step involves removing any obsolete references that may affect the current pricing strategy. Navigate to the Pricing Reference Material field. This field may currently reference another material previously used as a pricing basis. Clear this entry to remove outdated pricing links, ensuring the pricing conditions solely reflect the newly specified price data. This adjustment guarantees that the pricing conditions for this material are directly based on current and relevant price data, improving accuracy in sales processing. Once all necessary changes have been carefully reviewed and verified, click Save to finalize and securely store the modifications to the material master record. Upon successful completion of the changes, SAP will process the update and display a confirmation message. This message confirms that the material master record has been updated correctly and is now ready for accurate use in operational and sales processes. Well done! You've now completed this walkthrough on changing a material master record in SAP. You've learned how to navigate to the material change transaction, enter a specific material number, access sales data views, update pricing details, remove outdated pricing references, and save your changes. This process plays a critical role in maintaining data accuracy across the organization. When material master data is kept current, it ensures that pricing, sales processing, and financial reporting operate as expected, with fewer errors and delays. Let's revisit our Pepsi example. Whether updating prices for a new regional campaign or retiring old pricing links for a discontinued item, Pepsi's teams rely on SAP's material master data to keep systems aligned. These updates help avoid billing mismatches, prevent sales order rework, and ensure that customers receive the correct product at the correct price. Now reflect on your own organization. Are material master updates part of your regular process? Are sales, inventory, and pricing teams aligned on how changes are managed in SAP? By mastering this process, you're helping ensure that core product data in SAP stays accurate, supporting every downstream process from sales to shipping to invoicing. Keep practicing. You're building the essential skills that support strong material and sales master data management.